This video will guide you through how to add tables in Canva. If you are a Canva Pro user, it's easier to do it. First, start by going to the Elements tab on the left side of your Canva workspace. In the search bar, type Charts and Tables. Browse through the options and pick a standard table that fits your design. Once you've selected one, you can easily adjust the size, the color, and the data by clicking on it directly in your design. Now, if you are a Canva free user or if you just want to custom a table, begin by navigating to the Elements tab. Scroll to or search for Shapes, and then choose a square or rectangle to serve as your table cell. Pick a color that matches your design or branding. Now, arrange the shapes in a row or column depending on your preference. Click and drag to align them perfectly. Canva's smart guides will help ensure everything is evenly spaced. For example, create 3 to 4 rectangles side by side for the first row of your table. Once your first row is complete, select all the shapes in that row by holding down the Shift key and clicking each one. Copy and paste the selection, then drag it down the first row to duplicate it. Repeat this process until you've built the number of rows you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom table.